So when it comes to email marketing, there are only two tools you need. The first one is the tool we are going to use to build our opt-in page. So this one is called Page Builder, or some people will call it Funnel Builder. So the one I'm using is called ClickFunnels, right? Another one is the tool we are going to use to build our follow-up system. So we are going to use this software to send out email follow-ups automatically, right? So you may wonder, why don't we just send out email manually? The problem is Google doesn't allow you to do that, right? So if you try to send too much emails at the same time, you may get suspended, and that's one problem, right? So the software I'm using here is called ActiveCampaign, right? So you can check the link below for the both two software. So you may also wonder, why don't we just code ourselves? Maybe we can use HTML to build our website. Yeah, you can definitely do that if you're an engineer, but it's really time consuming to do that. So even though I learned like website design before, I still use this kind of builder to build website for me so that I can save way more time. So that two software you need, the Funnel Builder and Autoresponder. So the software I'm using here is called ClickFunnels, and the software I'm using here is called ActiveCampaign. You can check the link below for the both software. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.